Hello guys and good afternoon sir. Today, we want to present our project, which the name is Tracklist. Before that, I want to introduce our group members.
My name is Axel. My name is Yoga.
My name is Adrian.
My name is Octavian.
My name is Yunita.
My name is Adi.
And my name is Agatha.
Before we going further, we have to explain the process timeline. As we can see, at week 8, we have done the industrial design, and then product architecture at the week 9, prototyping in week 10, and then in week 11 for economic analysis, and the last in week 12 for market testing. So, let's enjoy the presentation.
Industrial design, we have ergonomics aspect and also aesthetic aspect. For example, in the ergonomic aspect, we have a GPS accuracy, the size of necklace can be adjusted to the neck, and the aesthetic aspect, we have a pattern design that will make it different with the similar product, and the next is color of the pendant. Next is about trackless is a combination. Yeah. Trackless is a combination product that is more technology driven than user driven because Trackless is a product utilities the function of GPS technology as the main function, which is to find out the one's position. Then GPS is also accompanied by other technologies such as vibration and application on smartphones. That the technology shows that our products are also user driven because they require human interaction. For example, vibration gives us a sign that the user has gone too far from home. So vibration needs human interaction in the form of how far the user is from their home. Next is we get a three important customer needs. The first is trackless has a necklace material that is water resistant. The second is trackless has a long battery life, and the third is trackless has vibration as a range alert. This is based on the previous step. We can provide each concept with each specification like this.
Now, we choose the concept based on concept screening and concept scoring. We get that the concept of H will be developed with 180 Hz of vibration, 135 mAh of battery capacity, and aluminum as the material. Then we conducted a survey about the concept. Based on that, we got the reaction of respondent and also the possible price of the concept, which was 800,000.
Okay, this is product architecture. In here we have 5 architecture. The first is chain, and then lantern, GPS, battery, and vibrator. The function of the chain is placed to hang pendants or lantern. For lantern is space put a system or machine. So inside the lantern we have machine or all the hardware. And next is GPS to track location or to find out the user location. So in here, if the user use the track list, it will begin tracking the location. Okay, the next is battery. It's as usual. It's for power supply to start the engine, machine, or function of the product. And next is vibrator. It's for warning alarm to user. The example, if the user location is too far from home, the vibrator will be getting on or vibrate the user. Okay, in the next slide, in our product, we made the prototype of our product in physical prototype model because this prototype looks very similar to the actual product. During our product development project, we have already planned for our prototype, which consists of 4 steps, and that I will explain to the next slide. So before we go in the next slide, I will explain about this product prototype. In here we have 2 trackless with a different material. The first is silver material, and then the other is from aluminum material. So in here we can see from the silver material have looks more simple than aluminum material. Okay, so this is the first steps what I told in the previous slide. In here we have 4 steps. The first is the purpose, and then level of approximation, and then outliner and experimental plan, and then schedule. The purpose: to select the final design of our product based on the beauty of the product. So in here we have select the design, the final design, to have a good looking for all of the users. And its strength, especially against dust and water. It means its product is durable. And then the level of approximation, correct the product design and material strength. And then the outliner and experimental plan. We are create 3 different product design models with their respective beauty, and we will do testing on all developers. Then test each product design. It means 3 design models with different materials for the strengths to withstand dust and water at a depth of 1 meter for 15 minutes in the water. And the last is a schedule. I will explain in the next slide. So this is our schedule of prototyping. In here we have 5 days. In the first days is on 1 July. It's create 3 different product design with each material, and then create test model, and then doing testing for all designs that have been made, and then the testing is completed. And the last days is analysis of test results complete.
There are 2 types of economic analysis, which are qualitative and quantitative analysis. For this one, we use the type of quantitative analysis that consists of 2 methods, which are NPV or net present value and analysis sensitivity. For the NPV method, we can assume that our project is economically feasible if the net present value is greater than or equal to 0. Pay attention to the table below. Using the net present value method, we have found that the net present value of our project is 122 millions, which is greater than 0. So, based on that value, we assume that our project economically feasible, and we decide to continue our project because it will be profitable. Sometimes, the market do not moving constantly. There are many changes of it. So, we use the sensitivity analysis or what if method to do the simulations of the change. After gaining the result, we can decide what we want to do at the further part. For example, what if we either increase or decrease the unit cost by 10% from the initial price? Let's see on the table below. There are several types of unit cost from 300,000 up to 4,500,000. As we can see, if we set the unit cost by 3,900,000, we have to solve the product at least 440 units. So it being feasible. With the value of 4,500,000 of unit cost, we have to solve at least 520 units, and it will be feasible. What about the unit price? Similar as previous slide, we want to set the price to 7,200,000 because of several causes. Then we have to sell at least 440 units to be a feasible project and also to gain the profit.
So about the market testing, we use the speculative sell methods with surveys to get feedback about our product, and we got 60 respondents. In our market testing, we give them 4 questions. First, in terms of features and function, do you like this product? Second, in terms of design, do you like this product? Third, with the price, features, function, design, and guarantees provided, will you want and plan to buy this product when it's launched? And the last is, will you recommend this product to your family and friends? For the result for question number 1, 55 respondents said yes, they like our product based on the feature and function. For question number 2, 52 respondents said yes, they like our product based on the design. And for the question number 3, 44 respondents said yes, they want and they will buy our product when this product is launched. And the last question is 53 respondents said yes, they would recommend this product to their family and friends. The conclusion is more than 70% of respondents like our product and they are interested and they will buy our product. And only less than 30% of respondents from all respondents dislike and wouldn't buy our product.